Hey, 你好. Hi, everybody. It was very nice meeting all of you, and hope we were going to have a great time learning some Chinese. Now I'm going to use this screencast to sort of review what we have learned in our class. The first lesson is very easy. It's just hi, 你好. Okay? You good, but that's literal meaning. Together they mean hello, 你好. Or if you speak quickly, that's 你好. Slowly, 你好. Right, so 你好, 你好. I would like you to be able to write 你 and 好 with your hands. If you forgot about the stroke orders or what the strokes are, you can always use this website. Uh, this website. First of all, Google. All you have to do is Google e-stroke. Google, and where's stroke? E-stroke, e-stroke. Okay, and then the first one usually is the thing, right? So you type 你 in here, but how do you type it? In order to type it, you need to go to, I don't know if you can see this. Anyway, go to your keyboard, little icon at the bottom of the screen, and right click it. Then, oh, this is Chinese, but click, this is setting. Click the settings, and this is add, right? And add stuff. Add, what do you add? Add Chinese. Look for the word Chinese, Chinese. All these are Chinese. Look for Chinese. Click on it, simplified. Click on it, and look for the keyboard. Click on the keyboard, you will see some Chinese keyboards. Usually choose the first one, and then choose the first one, and then say OK or and apply, and yeah. So then when you click the keyboard again, you will have another icon that allow you to type Chinese with pinyin, right? So, well, I mean, I will help you in class if you find it very difficult to change the settings. But anyway, suppose that you can do it now, right? So you type 你, the pinyin, and I. You have the first one, looks like 你, sounds like 你, it is 你. Okay, so sorry. So you enter it, and then you have the right order of the strokes. And in case you forgot, you can use this to remind you. But anyway, please practice writing these two Chinese characters. Right now, oh, sorry, it's all over the place. Now, let's go back to the text. 你好, 你好. Okay, good. And then, second test is 您好. Oh, 您 is a polite way of saying 你. So if you look, there's a small 你 upstairs and something like this downstairs. As a matter of fact, this symbol or this radical means heart. So you with a heart is polite to you, which is very nice, if you think about it. And then this old man replied 你们好 instead of 你. Why? Because there are two of them. And the pronouns have plurals. Okay? Now, 们 is their plural. Okay, you don't change this Chinese character, of course. You just add a men after 你, becomes you, plural, or ye. Right. So the third conversation is about apologizing. A says 对不起. There's no tone here. 对不起. That means I am sorry or sorry. And to answer that means doesn't matter. It's okay. Don't worry. So that's what it means. Actually, literally, it means no relation. Mei is no. 关系 is connection or relation. Means whatever you did or what is the horrible thing that you think you did, that's no connection. That's okay. There's no relation of that to my feelings. Maybe that's what it means. So 没关系 is what it means. No, is what how you say it. 对不起，没关系. Right, so that's lesson one. And in lesson one, we also talked about the four tones. First one, ma. Second one, ma. Third one, ma. Fourth one, ma. Right. And I expect you to practice that a little bit. Here we have a chart. That is the initials in some of them, not all of them. There are more in the lesson two. And so all these are very easy to pronounce except the last three, I think. B, p, m, f, d, t, n, l. That's all pretty much the same as in English. G, k, h. Right? In Chinese, this H is a little stronger than English H. Right? So h, it's a bit of a throw, right? Put a bit of throw here. H, h, h. Right? This one, J is pronounced Ji, Ji. And the Q is pronounced Qi, not K, not K. Qi. This is K. This is the only K in Chinese. This is Qi. And this is Xi. Xi. I don't know. I don't know if you can hear it very clearly. This um, actually, I found this screenshot thing. It's good, brilliant. The sound is not 100%. I wish I could find a better way to do it. If you know a better way to make this sound much better, or have a software or whatever, please let me know. Okay? And these are some of the finals, some of the vowels. I. This one is a bit tricky. It's mostly just like sit. I, I. Right? This is oo. This is yu. You don't have it in English, but in French we have salut, right? Lu. Sorry, This one is a little bit difficult to pronounce. This one is This one is iya, easy. Ua, wo, wo, ye, yue, ai, wei, a, we, all, yo. Right? Most of them are not too difficult to pronounce. I know I don't expect you to spend too much time at this stage to practice all these things. It's a bit boring. We'll try to practice them when we see actual words or Chinese characters that with these sounds. Okay, so have a couple of try, and that's all I think. So that's lesson one, and yeah, have another try with the tones. Yeah. 我。Okay. 一一呜呜吁。Okay. We'll get a good time doing that, and so in this page there are not really much to talk about really. It's talking about the two-syllable, two-character pronunciation, and again I think we will do that more as we go along with our Chinese study. This is, I think, a little bit too much information at the beginning, especially this one. Okay, two third tones, change it into the first third, uh, second tone and third tone. Like 你好 sounds a bit like second tone 你好. Really useless. Okay, for the first class, and then they are in the last page of this lesson, and we have some strokes. Right? Don't try to remember the names, but do a bit of practice. Right? Very easy. That's the strokes that you will be using in Chinese writing, and these strokes are just one stroke, and as I mentioned, they are a bit like English letters, uh, which you should practice a little bit. And now, let me see. I think that's pretty much it for lesson one. There are some Chinese writing practicing, but forget about them. All you have to do is try to write 你 and 好 Okay, so that's that. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.